All right, stops down. Again, the inclination is to think short side because of the position of these bars underneath. And this is an umbrella trade, and that one of the things that occurs in umbrella trades is that you'll get snaps when they do end, snap back in the opposite direction. But we can see green, red, blue underneath the rain line. So this tends to give us a negative slant. And 2 ticks away from that 60, 75 gap. This chart, I said earlier, was the single most important chart for me for direction at the open today. And isn't it a good example of using something that doesn't look like it has a directionality to it, but this chart tells us, well, maybe that half gap zone is going to be resistance. Bingo. Gap players, if you have played south side for the 63 gap and for the 60 3/4 gap, make sure you get something out of this swing. And we said this morning, first thing, let's use this 68 resistance zone. Anybody that was conservative and wanted to wait for better odds and missed the trade, don't chase now. We're in about a half an hour, not quite. Anybody that wants to buy using 58 support for a profit-taking swing, and anybody that's coming south side, strictly a trailer after 60 3/4. Yeah, I've got 58.5 as a potential target. Stops down. Come on. Trailers. If you get to the 59s, make sure you're paid. This is a nice first swing. Beautiful chart right here. You can see the formation. It's the relative position that's important. So yesterday was like a little wrecking ball trade. All right, anybody that's buying, up to you. Trend has been down the last couple of days. Think hit and run if you're buying. You know, I looked earlier at the next potential support. There's no real substance to the trades underneath 58.5. I'm using 58. Let's use that as primary support. If it breaks that, then we open the doors to other ideas. And I want you to go through your notes. I want you to go through your charts and tell me why 58 makes sense as a potential support first time back. Don't everybody answer at once.